everyone, and welcome to an update video on my Tamiya Renault 5 Turbo on the M05RA chassis. I had a comment from Pete Wiley about my sneak peek unboxing video, and he mentioned about widening the wheel track at the rear. And if we have a look here, since I still haven't painted the body yet, you can hopefully see there that there's quite a gap between the body and where the tyre begins, but then over this side it fits just nicely. I don't know if you can tell from if I do this as well. So we've got the converted side and the stock standard side, like so. So I had a look on the internet and found Remote Addicted's unboxing video of this kit, and in that he showed some upgrades that he was going to fit, some of which were for the I think it's the Tamiya TLE-01 chassis. So I had a look and found the stock plastic parts for the A-arms, wishbones and so on. So I've laid out this one here is the TL-01, and this one's the M05, and as you can see it's a lot wider. And then the upper A-arm, again, that's the M05 and that's the TL-01. So I've gone ahead and grab some of them while I could. You also, in this kit here, or what I ordered here, I got the front and the back, but the front is fine. I don't think you need to widen that at all. So there we go. And the good thing is they just fit straight in with no mods or anything. I just swap them, simple screws and so on. So that's that bit I've done. The other bit is I've added some gardening wire to my R-clips for the battery holder, and if we have a look over this side you can see, hopefully, just so that I don't lose them when I swap the battery. And then another thing I've done, because I use the 6-cell NIM batteries, I've also put some foam in the end of here to stop the battery from rattling about. That's all the mods I've done so far. I've not been able to get any shocks or anything, so I'm still running the pogo sticks, but we'll see how we go once I've worked up enough courage to start masking off the shell and spraying it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick insight, and hopefully see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.